Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's begin the session by reciting Kitab Al-Fatiha. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay, so I will use another example. This is based on the previous example which under Muhibbah Cakehouse, in which previously we have looked at the effect of the transaction as well as the debit and credit of each of the transaction. Okay, so now I will explain on the ledger entry for each of the transaction, and we will close off all the accounts and prepare the trial balance. Okay, so I'll focus on these two. For statement of profit or loss and statement of financial position, this one I will look in the next class, inshallah. Okay, I will just go through a quick run through on the each of the transaction. Okay, on the 1st June, started business with office furniture and cash. Okay, so this one is increase in capital and increase in asset. Okay, asset here is office furniture and cash. So we will debit office furniture on 1st June, credit capital, and debit cash 10,000 ringgit, credit capital 10,000 ringgit. Okay, the second one will be purchase goods on credit. Purchase goods is purchases. Purchases is expenses. Increase in expenses and increase in liability. Okay, because purchase on credit from Sweet Kapi Enterprise. Okay, therefore debit purchases, credit account payable Sweet Kapi. Okay, account payable Sweet Kapi 3,500. Okay. Okay, the third transaction, 7th of June, transfer 6,000 ringgit cash into bank account, so increase in asset and decrease in asset. Okay, increase in bank, decrease in cash. Debit bank, debit bank, credit cash. Oops. Debit bank, credit cash here. Okay, the fourth transaction, Puan Laila brought in a motor vehicle. Okay, Puan Laila brought in. Puan Laila is the owner. Owner brought in additional capital, so increase in capital, increase in asset. Debit asset, debit motor vehicle, credit capital. Debit motor vehicle, credit capital. Okay, so credit capital 7,000 ringgit, debit motor vehicle. Okay, 7,000 ringgit. Okay, next, sold cakes on credit. Sold cakes is sales. Sales is revenue. Increase in revenue. Sold cakes on credit. Increase in revenue. Increase in asset. Okay, increase in asset. We sales to somebody. In here, we sold cakes to Koi Cupcake. Okay, Koi Cupcake. Debit Koi Cupcake, credit sales. Okay, 15th of June. 15th of June. Credit sales. Debit account receivable Koi Cupcake, 1,000 ringgit. Okay, next. So here is increase in 16th of June, Koi Cupcake return. Cakes 310. So here decrease in revenue, decrease in asset, because Koi return back the cupcakes to the business. Okay, so we will credit asset, credit Koi Cupcake, debit return inwards. Okay, credit Koi Cupcake, credit Koi Cupcake, debit return inwards, or sales return. I would like to use return inwards. Okay, return inwards. So return inwards will be recorded. Okay, this one is sales return account or return inwards account. Okay, so debit return inwards, credit Koi Cupcake 310. Okay, return goods to Sweet Cupcake. Okay, previously on 4th of June we purchased goods from Sweet Cupcake. Now we return back because we get the wrong order. Okay, therefore expenses will decrease and liability will decrease. Okay, debit liability, credit return outwards. Okay, sorry, debit liability, account payable Sweet Cupcake. So here I will rather use return outwards. Okay, debit account payable, credit return outwards. This one, purchases return. Okay, return outwards account, debit Sweet Cupcake, credit return outwards account. Okay, next, cash sales to Rina. Cash sales to Rina. Okay, the effect will be on increase in revenue and increase in asset. Okay, increase in revenue, sales, increase in asset, cash. Okay, so debit cash, credit sales. Sorry, debit cash 450, credit sales 450. Kenapa kita tak record Rina? Because Rina already paid. Unless if Rina is not paying, then we debit Rina as account receivable, credit sales. Okay, in this case because we receive cash, then we debit cash, credit sales. Okay, The next one will be Puan Laila took goods. Okay, took goods and cash. So this one is drawing. Decrease in capital and decrease in expenses because Puan Laila took goods, so we will reduce the purchases amount, and cash, decrease in asset. Okay, decrease in capital, debit capital, but in this case we debit drawings. Debit drawings, credit purchases, and credit cash. Okay, debit drawings, credit cash 310. Debit drawings, credit capital, debit drawings, credit purchases 200 ringgit. And here we debit both drawing of goods and drawing of asset, cash. Okay, so debit drawings, credit purchases, debit drawing, credit cash. Okay, and the last one, 25th of June. 25th of June, paid 600 ringgit by check to Nani for her monthly salary. Nani is Puan Laila shop assistant. Okay, so this one is salary for Nani. So increase in expenses, increase in salary, and decrease in asset because Nani was paid using check or bank. Okay, debit salary, credit bank, debit salary, credit bank. Okay, 25th of June, salary 600 ringgit. Debit salary, credit bank. Okay, next 30th of June, paid sweet copy 3,000 ringgit for full settlement of the account using check. So we will pay sweet copy 3,000 ringgit for full settlement, means that kita bayar habis, no more owing, no more amount owed to sweet copy. Okay, in this case means that decrease in liability and decrease in asset because we paid using check. Okay, means that we will debit sweet copy, credit bank. Okay, debit sweet copy, credit bank 3,000 ringgit. Here 3,000 ringgit. Okay, sweet copy, and for sweet copy account we will debit 3,000 ringgit. So the account is fully settled, no balance. Okay, and the last one, purchase goods from Pelangi Bakery 550 ringgit by cash. Purchase good, this one is purchases, increase in expenses, purchase using cash, increase in asset, cash. We did not record Pelangi Bakery because Pelangi Bakery we purchase using cash. We already paid to Pelangi. Unless if purchase good from Pelangi Bakery 550 ringgit on credit, then it will be increase in expenses and increase in liability. But in this case, increase in expenses, decrease in asset, because we paid using cash. Okay, so cash account purchases 550 ringgit, and in purchases 550 ringgit. Okay, so we have finished recording all of the transaction. Okay, for the last transaction for this one, inventory as at 30th June. Okay, this one will be adjustment. This one I will touch later in when we want to prepare statement of profit or loss and statement of financial position. But for this session, I will stop till preparation of trial balance, not including adjustment. Okay, so we stop till 30th June. Purchase goods from Pelangi Bakery, 550 ringgit by cash. Okay, so now the next step, we want to close off the account. As I mentioned earlier in the previous session, we look at the total. The total will be on the debit side 5,000 ringgit. We balance it off 5,000 ringgit, so the remaining balance will be balance carried down. Okay, and then as balance carried down as at the end of the period will becoming balance brought down for the next period. So in this case, office furniture is said to have debit balance. Okay, because balance carried down, okay, balance brought down is on debit side. Okay, same for capital, with total of 22,000 ringgit on the credit and debit side, but credit side is higher than debit side, so the balance carried down on credit side is balance carried down on the debit side is 22,000. Therefore the balance brought down is 22,000. This one is credit balance. Okay, credit balance. Same for cash, we do the same. We take the total 10,450 on the debit side, we put it 10,450 on the credit side, and we minus all the other amount, 6,000, 3,010, 550, and we get balance carried down 3,590. Okay, balance carried down on the credit side becoming balance brought down on the debit side. Okay, and we do the same for other account. Okay, we close off purchases account, bank account, we got a debit balance of 22,400 ringgit. Motor vehicle account, we got a debit balance of 7,000 ringgit. Okay, and then sales account, we have a credit balance of 1,450. Return inwards, we have a debit balance of 310. Return outward, we have a credit balance of 500 ringgit. Drawing, we have a debit balance of 510. Okay, salary, we have a debit balance of 600 ringgit. Account payable, this one is copy has no balance, so no balance carried down on and no balance brought down. Kowi Cupcake, we have a debit balance of 690. Okay, therefore we transfer all the balancing figure for each of the account. Okay, for example, salary debit balance 600 ringgit, so salary 600 ringgit here. Then we have, what else? We have account receivable Kowi Cupcake 690 debit balance. Kowi Cupcake, this one 690, and we transfer all the amount, all the closing balance for each of the account. Office furniture 5,000, capital 22,000, cash, purchases, bank, and so on. As at the end of the period, then we prepare the trial balance. Start with the name of the business, and then the title of the trial balance. Trial balance for the month ended 30th June 2019. We have a debit and credit balance according to the balance brought down figure for each of the account, and we list it out and total it. In this case, we get a total of 23950 on the debit side and 23950 on the credit side. Okay, so we stop till here. So for your quiz, we'll stop till here. Okay, until trial balance. Okay, so I hope you will go through this exercise and try to do it and try to understand it. Okay, so with that we end the class by reciting al-inshirah and tasbih kifarah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-nashrah. Okay, thank you.